Hey there, welcome back to another video. Let's go. Today we are going to review and discuss Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro specification, price, Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro phones have launched on global market. This comes as a successor to the 11T lineup last year and a new additional to the Xiaomi 12 series. The Xiaomi 12T Pro is the first Xiaomi phone and second phone after Moto H30 Pro to come with 200 megapixel Samsung sensor. There is a punch hole cut out on front for the selfie, triple camera sensor to the back and in-screen fingerprint sensor for security. The Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro come with 120Hz AMOLED display with 5000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging support, Android 12 out of the box and 5000 mAh battery capacity. The Xiaomi 12T Pro comes Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, while 12T shipped with Dimensity 8100 processor. Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro specification. Xiaomi 12T sport 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. This phone comes with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus Dolby version, 480Hz touch sampling rate up to 1200 nits brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass Vectors protection. This phone powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone runs on Android 12 base MIUI 13 custom skin out of the box and packs a 5000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support. Connectivity option included 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. It is equipped with USB Type-C audio, stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos and IR blaster. Moving to the optics, Xiaomi 12T have a triple camera sensor on the back with 108 megapixel Samsung primary sensor with 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro sensor. There is a 20 megapixel IMX596 for selfie. The Xiaomi 12T Pro also has the same 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with punch hole cutout for selfie camera, and this phone also comes with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision, 480Hz touch sampling rate and up to 1200 nit peak brightness. This phone also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Vectors protection. Only change is that this phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8GB and 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage capacity. It phone runs with Android 12 base MIUI 13 custom skin out of the box. There is a 5000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging support. And also this phone also equipped with USB Type-C audio, stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos and IR blaster. As for the camera, main highlight for this camera, Xiaomi 12T has triple rear camera sensor on the back with 200 megapixel primary camera sensor with OSI and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera sensor and 2 megapixel micro camera sensor. This phone also comes with 20 megapixel front camera sensor for selfie. Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro prices. The Xiaomi 12T price starts from Euro 599 for the 8GB and 128GB of version. It comes in a black, blue and silver color option. On the other hand, Xiaomi 12T Pro is a price Euro 749 for the same 8 plus 128GB of storage version. The phone gets same color option as the vanilla 12T. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe to the channel please, and thanks for watching.